All right, Keith, I wanted to thank you for doing this little video testimonial with us. First off, I want to make sure it's okay with you HIPAA-wise that we talk about whatever treatment was done.
Certainly.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Yes.
So Keith here had some dentures done with some implants to help them lock in. How was your experience at our office? How did you feel we did? And
I had a really nice experience. Dr. Bagai was very, very patient, very good with me.
okay.
And I'm very happy with the final results.
Okay, and how do you feel in terms of the foods that you were able to eat before with just a regular denture and with the implant denture?
Well, before I didn't have that many teeth on the bottom, so I couldn't eat a lot, but solid foods.
Yeah.
But now I can eat anything.
Okay, you told me you had steak the other day.
I had
which is
steak
awesome.
the other day, and it was really nice.
Well, I'm glad that we could help you out. If you have any problems, you can always follow up with us, but you did great. So thank you for
Sure.
your help, Keith.
Well, thank you for your help. Yes.
All right, thanks. All right.
Good.